Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an ab workout. Whether you're a beginner, you're postpartum, this exercise routine is going to be safe for everybody. And if you recently did have a kid, this is a great place to start. We're going to first start out in a bridge, so come on down onto the ground. We are going to take a deep breath in, exhale, belly button down and up. We're going to lift up for 1. So you want to have your abs engaged this whole time. Again, belly button pulls down and up, press through the heels, engage those inner thighs. We're just warming up. We are going to lift up into a bridge and hold it there in 3, 2, and 1. Hold it on up. Feet come in a little bit closer, okay? Exhale, engage your core. Lift the right knee up into tabletop position. Place it down. Alternate. Good. So as you're doing this, exhale, think about your belly button drawing in and up. You're elongating your abs. Nice. Think about your inner thigh here. So as that foot plants on the ground, engage that inner thigh and lift up the alternate leg. Again, keep both inner thighs engaged the entire time. You've got 4 more. 3, 2, and last one. Onto your butt. All right, knees come back into that tabletop position. Inhale, exhale, belly button comes in and up. Lower that left heel down and up. Right here, start activating that inner thigh and keep your abs from coning up and down. So we're not pressing our lower back into the mat. We have a nice healthy curve. Your hand might just barely fit underneath. And we exhale every time our heel touches the ground. Here we go. Then come on up. Engage that inner thigh, inner thigh, inner thigh. Good. Do not stop thinking about your inner thigh. Do not stop thinking about pressing your belly button down and up. We've got 3, 2, and 1. Arms come on up overhead. This is like a dead bug. Okay. Your left leg is going to go long and our right arm is going to go up. Here we go. Inner thigh, press that heel towards the opposite wall and come on back up. Good. Alternate and up. So this is easy to do like this, right? Resist that urge. Engage the glutes, engage the inner thighs, and slowly reach that left heel to the back wall and come on back. So you guys can see that I'm shaking. I am 10 months postpartum. If you're at a gym class and they're doing bicycles, this is a great alternative to do if you are postpartum. Good, stay with me. 4, 3, inner thigh. My hip clicks when I don't engage my inner thigh, so that's when I know. Last one. Awesome job. Give those knees a hug, give that back a little bit of a break. Roll on up. We're gonna come into our bird dog. All right, round that back up and then come on back. We are going to flex our feet here. Right arm is going to go out. Left leg and down. Again, you can do this move pretty easily. Really engage that inner thigh. Get that pelvic floor connection. If you do not engage your TVA here, you're really missing out on the benefits of this move. Your TVA are your abs that are like saran wrap that wrap around your midsection, wrap around your core. And really engage that inner thigh, reach that leg long. Awesome job. If you have a diastasis, this is a great workout to do to help repair that. This is a routine that I literally do every time I go to the gym. I can do this routine every single day. If you just had a baby 6 weeks ago, this is maybe a little advanced, but soon you'll be able to do this. But the key is to engage and be able to engage your abs correctly. If you're not correctly engaging, then you're not gonna find this to be effective. Last 4, 3, 2, last 1. We're gonna come into a side plank right here. Now, if you're postpartum, you're probably gonna come onto your knee. If you're not, you can come on up into a regular side plank. I'm gonna just be on the knee right here and reach on up. We're just gonna hold it here for 30 seconds. Awesome job. We just worked our core. Now we're working our obliques. Reach your hip on up. These types of side planks are safe to do throughout your pregnancy. They're not gonna increase your risk of a diastasis recti. We've got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's switch sides. We are gonna be standing up onto our feet after this. Awesome job at home. And if you have a little one nearby, sometimes I'll put my baby right here and I'll give him a little tickle and then arm comes up. Maybe challenge yourself these last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last move we're gonna do is going to be a squat, and it's basically to just help you guys engage your inner thighs and think about your core no matter what you are doing. So feet are gonna be shoulder width distance apart, and as you come on down into a squat, think about engaging your inner thighs, belly button comes in and up, and as you come on up, press through your inner thighs, activate your inner thighs, belly button in and up. We don't wanna crunch, we wanna keep length right here. So we're finishing out with just some squats. Think about pressing through your inner thighs and you're exhaling, creating length as you come on up to standing. Give me 10, 9, engage those glutes, 7, 6, abs, abs, abs. Think about your abs more than your booty here. 4, 3, inner thighs, 2, and 1. Awesome job. So that was just a simple beginner ab workout. Also a workout that's gonna help repair your diastasis, a workout you can do very soon after you give birth. It's a gentle routine. And for me, I'm 10 months postpartum. I do this routine daily. I don't really do moves that are harder. You see what shape my abs are in. They're in pretty good shape. So while this may not be the most challenging, if you're not engaging your core, no ab workout is going to be effective in how you want them to be. If you're having trouble engaging your abs, make sure you make an appointment with a pelvic floor specialist to help you get that back, get that connection back. They're going to be able to cue you and know where you are misfiring. Hopefully I was able to give you guys some good cues in this video, and if I didn't, if you have questions, leave them down below this video. Again, try this video every day for a month, for 6 weeks. Let me know how your diastasis is afterwards.